Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTML and CSS tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. So in this tutorial we are going to see the relation between inline, internal and external and how much priority on each situation they are given. Okay, so let's just start the same for the P tag. Okay, so let's just give an inline styling to it. Okay, and give it as color pink. Okay. Now, let's just give an internal styling here. So, the internal styling will come inside the head. So, we will give the internal styling to paragraph, that's right. So, here there is the style tag, I have opened and closed it. Now, the P tag, and let's just give the color as green. Okay. So, what have we done here? We have given styling to the P tag as pink, which is inline styling, and an internal styling as color green for the P tag. So let's just save this, okay, and refresh it. Now you can see that whatever styling we have given for the particular tag, that is for the P tag, has changed into pink, but only that particular tag has changed, but the others have changed into green. So we can say that inline is preferred over both internal and external, right? So now let's just see just about internal and external. Okay, so let's just remove all these inline styling. Okay, now let's just apply a styling for the P, and here also let's just give it for P as color as brown. Okay, and save it. Now let's see that we have given for the paragraph. That means whatever paragraphs we have, it will either be green according to the internal styling or be brown according to the external styling. So let's just save it and refresh it. So it has chosen the internal styling rather than the external styling. So the equation here becomes that internal styling is preferred more than the external styling. And when inline comes in, it is preferred more than both of them. So this was all about the relation between inline, internal and external. But what if I want to avoid this inline or internal styling? Inline styling over external or internal styling over external or vice versa. Okay, so what can I do? Now here's a trick. Now if I want to give importance to my external styling for the P tag, okay, I'll just go before the semicolon and enter an exclamatory mark and the tag important and save it. Okay, now let's just see what happens. Now my text has become to brown, that is my external styling. So this particular thing, this particular attribute has helped me give importance to my particular styling. So using this we can break this equation. Okay, so this was all about the relation and some tip for the CSS styling. Now in the next tutorial we will see about the CSS properties and its values. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.